And then I know once we get towards like, I forgot the on-ramp number, but once we get like towards the middle of Hartford, that's usually like where the traffic's like jam-packed to get the exit 51 to go to Springfield or whatever. So if it is jam-packed like traffic, we can't like sit still behind the cars, like sit and duck. So the best bet will be either go in between the cars on the left or just find a safer route and take the emergency. Yeah, so you're gonna have to take the emergency one. Only on that part though. Once we get on the on-ramp 51, it's a straight way there, bro. There's no traffic at all ever, bro. Yeah, if anything, I won't go in between the cars. Like I said, I'll just do the nearest lane that's open, like probably like the emergency lane. Once we get like on going towards like infield and all of that, they are doing construction on the highway. So like just ease up, like just look up and then just like basically watch the cars in front of you, see who's like.
Yeah, just lead the way.
Thank you.
Control the traffic.
Yeah.
If you go,
I got you.
Whatever you do, we're following. So.
All right, I got you.
Like I say, you lead it, I'll keep up the rear. Don't.
You good? Good. All right, bet. Alright, man, another day, another vlog. Let me turn this music down a little bit just so like y'all don't hear it. I don't get flagged on YouTube. So we taking a little trip today. We're taking a trip out to Springfield, Massachusetts. It's about a little hour drive. We're going to, I believe, a motorcycle museum or something like that. I haven't been, so we about to go check it out. But yeah, we're about to enjoy this weather. If you could look around, the air quality is fucking nuts here. It's horrible, to be honest. There's still a cool breeze though. You would think that the bad air quality will bring in hot weather, but it actually doesn't. It's actually pretty cool though. So yeah, I'm gonna record the way there, change the battery obviously, record us there, and then record the way back. I guess we doing Springfield, Massachusetts, and then we headed down to Cycle Gear because bro wanted to get a different helmet. I guess the helmet he had last time, it didn't fit, so he returned it. I gotta make sure I'm looking up while I drive because I tend to like lean my head a little bit forward, and with the last video I just posted going to the bike meet up at Cadillac Ranch, I noticed that the camera really didn't pick up anything that was in front of me. So like I ain't really get to have no videos of bro I was riding with. He was asking me like, yo bro, let me get any clips you got me, and then I go look back at the footage and you can't really see because I was too busy tucking. I don't have a windshield, so this wing kicking my ass. I'm gonna make sure to keep the camera facing forward, basically meaning I'm gonna have to keep my head up at all times. But it's gonna be a good little drive, nice little ride. Just enjoy this weather. Call it a day. They about to start doing construction? Gotta be something going on in Southington today, bro. That traffic, nah, that's crazy. My bad, it's over here. Oh, that's fire. Aw, why is there traffic? There's usually never traffic here, bro. It is also 11:20. Pulling up on me lying. We ain't about to be here for no damn hour. Exit 5 is literally right there.
At least we're not like stopped. We're actually moving.
Yeah, exactly. It must be an accident or something. Oh no, it was definitely an accident. Why it smell like shit? Appreciate that respect. Damn, dog. Damn, I hope she good, man. Exit 5, exit 5. Relax. That's automatic. You don't got the rev limiter. I ain't clipping none of this out of the video, bro. I'm gonna keep this in the video, bro. Let's see if I get this shit without stalling, because this hill is steep as f. Come on, gang. Come on, gang. Go ahead. Okay. Is that it? Let me pull over.
You're trying to go to the museum, right?
Yeah, I don't know where I'm going.
I'm gonna follow me.
Alright. L Fluffy, what the fuck? Oh. that 650 is fire, bro. I thought I wanted the Ninja 650, bro. I've been looking at the CBR 650. It's pushing 10 grand. This is the first time I've seen one in person. I had to ask the person that rides this. Obviously, he works here at the Cycle Gear. And he said the E-clutch does not bother him at all. He said nothing but good things about this bike. And he also told me, don't waste my money on the Ninja 650. Yeah. Like I was saying, I already got 5 grand saved up, bro. I might as well save another 5 and get this 650, bro. I'ma just skip the whole I want the Ninja 650 plans and I want the CBR 650 plans, bro. I'm a Honda guy, bro. I'm not gonna stoop low and get no Kawasaki, bro. About to make way back home. And I'm gonna chop this video up and give y'all what y'all looking for, which is a new video. Okay, got the Bentley. Ain't he from... Bro, what you doing out here? They're gonna have to keep up with me, gang. I'll play the back for a little bit just to make them think they on some shit. And I'm gonna show them what riding, pause, I'm gonna show them what it's really like on the E-way, bro. Yeah, don't crash into me, gang. I'm on the camera. I'll let him play the front, but once I see that sign that say Hartford, I am out. Y'all gonna think I got nitrous on this shit, bro, for real. I'm gonna pick this bitch up to 100. Phone it. I can just end that. Hey man, no texting and riding, gang. No texting and riding. On that note, I'm probably gonna end the video here. I mean, I had my little fun, and I don't even know if this thing is still recording. I forgot to change the battery. Again, thank y'all for tuning in, and I mean, until the next time, bro.